I'm sitting here holding an old leather ledger today. My father fed 5 of us on $38.50 a week. 60 years of marriage recorded in simple handwritten numbers. I've seen a lot in that time. People always ask me what kept my marriage alive. Well, son, it wasn't about fireworks every day. You know, everyone asks me the secret to a long marriage. Patience, love, communication. Never sleeping angry. But I always give them one simple answer. The secret to marriage is one shared bank account. In 1963, Martha and I said, "I do" together. We never separated money, only shared everything we earned. Well, I'm 85 years old. My father fed 5 of us on $38.50 a week. No my money, no her money, only our money. Today, couples split bills and call it financial independence. I call that slow, emotional distance between two partners. I'll show you why transparency builds real, lasting marriage. A joint account shows everything your partner truly spends. At first, Martha and I felt uncomfortable seeing everything. I saw dress purchases, she saw my hobby spending. It was the only fight we ever had. But discomfort forced honest talks and deeper understanding. We could not hide anything or make secret purchases. Every decision had to be discussed at kitchen table. Boat or kitchen remodel became shared married negotiation. You know, separate accounts turn marriage into 2 parallel financial lives. It can get complicated. Couples today treat marriage like business partnership agreements. I pay electricity, you pay Netflix. We're like roommates. Venmo requests slowly replace romance and emotional connection. Keeping score means someone always feels like losing partner. Marriage breaks when life events destroy 50-50 system. I wouldn't trade a thing. We never kept score during job loss or hardship. It was just life. Everything was shared equally during broken car and struggles. My raise became her raise because we were team. One account meant no exit strategy, just lifelong commitment. You must burn boats and remove private financial escape routes. You cannot trust money. You cannot trust relationship. Money reflects values, time, effort, and emotional priorities. Hidden money usually means hidden fears and hidden dreams. May not look that way on the surface, but it's true. In 2026, the world tells you to protect yourself, always. I tell you to pour yourself completely into partner. Merge accounts, share passwords, build real financial union. We did not spend more money, we spent wisely. In 1970, I bought a simple, reliable sedan car. It wasn't fancy, but it got the job done for my family. My friends changed cars every 3 years, chasing new luxury. It just wasn't worth it. I kept that same car for 18 full years. Next time, I will show math behind 18-year car. It saved over $200,000 lifetime money. I'll see you again on the bench next time.